Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here with another iMovie tutorial. In today's tutorials, we're going to do transitions, so adding, editing, and deleting. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's start a new movie by click New. Then we're going to click on Movie. Next, we're going to grab some video and drag it into the timeline. I'm going to go ahead and mute the clip here by dragging the sound all the way down to 0. And now we have a clip. And let's put a couple breaks in it, a couple splits in it, so we have places to drop transitions. Okay, we'll do one right here. We're going to right click and split clip. You'll notice that the shortcut was Command B, so we can do that from now on. Okay, I think that's good enough. Now let's go ahead and add some transitions by going up to the transition menu up here. We're going to click on that. And you'll see the full selection of transitions here. So what you're going to do is click and drag into the spots that you want. Let's start with the beginning. I think we'll start with a mosaic. Let's go ahead and do that. Put that right here. In between each of these, I'm just going to grab random ones here. We'll start with a swap. We'll go with a spin out. We'll go with a doorway. And let's just do a simple cross blur or cross dissolve. Let's do that. And at the end, we'll do a fade to black. All right. So now we've added the transitions here. We added some different ones. Each one of them is defaulted to 1 second. If you want to make them shorter or longer, you can double click and add some time to it. So let's go ahead and make this one 1.5 and we'll hit apply. This one here, let's make it 0.5. And let's make this one a little bit longer. We'll make this one 3.0. And we'll hit apply. Now, if your transition time is longer than this video clip on either of the sides, then iMovie is going to give you an error. Let's go ahead and make this 200. We'll hit apply. And you're going to get this message that there's not enough media on either side to support this length of a transition. So we'll say OK. And then we'll just go ahead and go back to 3.0 and then hit apply. All right. Okay, now we've actually added our transitions. Let's have a look real quick at these. Let's start out with that mosaic. Let's look at the second one here. The third one here. We'll move to the next one here. And then last but not least is a fade to black. Okay, so you've added and customized your transitions here. Okay, last thing I'm going to show you here is actually how to delete the transitions if you're not happy with them. So first you're going to do is just click on one and then hit delete on your keyboard. Now to delete multiple, what you're going to do is click on the first one, hold your command key down, and then click on all the other ones. And then now you can just hit delete, and that will delete all the transitions at one time. Of course, you have to hold the command key and then click on each one. But the good thing is after you do that, you just hit the delete key once and all of them are gone. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to show you here is how to put a fade in and a fade out on your video, on your complete project. So what you're going to do is go over to your settings here and you're going to select fade in from black and fade out from black. So what that does is add a fade in from black at the beginning and then a fade out to black at the end. Okay, let's end this tutorial with a caution. Don't go crazy with the transitions. You can either pick a simple one like a cross dissolve or a cross blur, or maybe a wipe up or a wipe down or a slide in, slide left. But just don't go crazy and put every single transition in your movie. Unless you're trying to make an over-the-top movie, then that's okay. Just be a little judicious with the use of your transitions. Yeah. Alrighty, I think that's it for this tutorial. As usual, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. And if you want to, you can join the Patreon. The Patreon will have some behind the scenes. And I kind of want to start an unofficial iMovie user group inside of the Patreon. So if you're interested in joining the Patreon, go ahead and hit the link in the description. Or at the end of the video, there'll be a little Patreon button there that you can actually click and it'll take you to the page. Peace and aloha. Talk to you next time.